Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all to the recorded session of grade 5. The topic for today is volume and cubic units. Before we proceed to our main topic, let's have a brief recap of our previous lesson. Properties of a square. A square is a quadrilateral. It is a plane shape having 4 equal sides. It is also called a 2D shape. What does 2D stand for? Yes, 2D stands for 2 dimensions. It has 4 right angles and 2 pairs of parallel lines. Moving on, rectangle. Rectangle is a quadrilateral too. It is a plane shape like a square. Opposite sides of a rectangle are same. It is also a 2D shape. It has 4 right angles and 2 pairs of parallel lines. We have gone through the 2 examples of 2D shapes. Let's talk about the 3D shapes now. What do we have on our screen? Yes, it is a cube. A cube is a 3D figure. It has 6 equal faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. We have learned about it in our previous session too. Moving on, we have another solid figure on our screen, which is a cuboid. It has 6 rectangular faces. It is also a 3D shape like a cube. Dimensions refer to length, breadth and height. It has 8 vertices and 12 edges. I hope you remember what are vertices and edges. Children, after discussing the properties of cubes and cuboids, we would learn how to find the volume of these objects. But what is the volume? Volume is a space occupied by an object. How do we find a volume of an object? By using a formula. In order to find the volume of an object, we have to multiply its dimensions as shown in the formula. Length times breadth times height. It is measured in cubic centimeters or cubic meters. Let's explore more about volume and cubic units. If a cube has a side measuring 1 centimeter, then its volume would be 1 cubic centimeter. Since all the sides of a cube are same, so the formula of finding the volume, a cube is length times length times length. Let's count the cubes in different figures. Let's count the number of unit cubes in this given figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 cubes in this figure. So the volume of this figure is 12 cubic centimeters. We can see 3 layers in the given figure. Let's count the cubes of the first layer, which is the bottom layer. There are 10 units cubes in the bottom layer. In the second layer, 3 unit cubes are there. And in the third layer, we have only 1 unit cube. So 10 plus 3 gives us 13. And 13 plus 1 makes it 14. The volume of the figure is 14 cubic centimeter. We have another figure on screen. Let's count the unit cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 13 unit cubes in it. So the volume of this figure is 13 cubic centimeters. It is a cuboid. Top layer has 15 unit cubes. Bottom layer has 15 unit cubes as well. 15 plus 15 is equal to 30. So the volume of a cuboid is 30 cubic centimeters. Complete and submit your assignment in the Google Classroom. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.